everybody. We're fixing to put the 390 in the Galaxie today. It's about 95 degrees out here. It's pretty hot. We got the big fan on us though, that's helping. Just cut the old exhaust out halfway from under the car to kind of get that out of our way. I need to tidy up some of these cords so they don't get in the way of anything. I put new motor mounts and everything on the 390, so it's ready to go. So I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so we've rigged up some blocks here because we still wanted to be able to move the car forward and backwards a little bit, get everything lined up like we want. So we got some blocks under the front. This side has chocks that I screwed down on there to hold it there. And it's not a whole lot of play. We can roll it forwards and backwards, but I'm optimistic it's gonna be alright. Oh, and that was Dad's idea. I realized I had set a box in front of the camera there as we were finishing up, but y'all couldn't really see it too much anyways. Most of what I was doing was under the car, trying to get the torque converter studs to line up with the flex plate. I got the motor mounts, everything's lined up right. I got the motor mounts tightened up, I got the torque converter nuts tightened up, and the 390 sitting in here. I think it looks pretty good. got a lot to hook up to it, but I think the hard part's behind us as far as the 390 installation. Knock on wood, right? But yeah, we're about to call it. We're getting hungry. We're gonna go get something to eat. Appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to like or subscribe if you want to see updates on this car. Bye.